Police department. Come out with your hands empty, please.
Sorry, what?
Come out with your hands empty, please. Come to the door. Just got to chat with you, see what's going on. Okay. She said no, she had a gun.
Why were the police called?
Can you keep your hands visible for me? Other hand, please.
No, why? I'd like to know what the doctor is.
Do you have a gun, sir?
I'm sorry, what?
We got a report that there was an assault here. Can you come over here?
There was no assault.
Okay. All right. Can you talk to my officer here? Can you show me other hand, sir?
No.
Just so I'm safe?
No.
Okay. Okay, Todd, find out if he's got a gun.
I'll have both of the guns.
Do you have a gun in your hand?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Okay, put the gun down, please. Back up. Back up. Put the gun down.
No.
Get the back to this way.
Back up.
What am I thinking of the subject's on the hand gun. Get her, Todd. Get her back more cars. Put the gun.
I'm out unarmed, they're gonna shoot me.
No, I'm not. If you come out unarmed,
How can I believe you?
I give you my word, sir. I have
can't trust your fucking
I have a body camera that's recorded audio and visually, sir. I don't want to hurt you.
How
Hold
can
on,
I
back for all the other
believe that?
units. His room is the second room from the southwest. Come around the
Complete
north
bullshit.
to the south. I promise you, sir. I do not want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt anybody. Please come out unarmed. Yeah, I don't care about your warrant.
What?
I don't care about your warrants. I care about your safety and my safety. So please come out unarmed, sir. Okay? I give you my word. I've got a wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay? Please come out. Todd, you good? Todd, you good? One of them I've been hit.
My hands are up. Look.
Are you injured?
Yeah.
Where are you hit?
My hands.
One-way knife. Shots fired. Subject's been hit. I believe I've been struck as well in the foot. I need EMS here. Subject is not in custody yet. Todd!
Yeah.
Are you good?
I'm good.
Is she good? Wife and 3 kids, man. It's the last thing I want to do. Okay, please come out. Todd, you good? Todd, you good?